Think your chest just won't grow no matter how hard you train? What if the problem isn't your effort, but how you're training on push day? Most people turn chest day into a shoulder workout and never realize it. Today, I'm going to fix that. You load up the bench, crank out reps, feel a pump, and still see little progress. That's not bad luck, that's leaked tension. It's like trying to fill a bucket with holes. No matter how much effort you pour in, growth escapes. So in this video, I'll show you a science-based push day workout that actually targets your chest the right way. One small adjustment in the middle of this workout changes everything. Going too heavy? Letting shoulders take over? Rushing reps? Do you feel this more in your shoulders than your upper chest? That's your clue something's off. Bench at 30 degrees, feet planted firmly, slight arch in the lower back. Lower the dumbbells slowly, keep elbows at 45 degrees. Press inward, not just upward. Your chest works best when your arms move toward each other, not just up and down. Pause for half a second at the bottom. Build tension, don't bounce. Imagine hugging a barrel as you press. That inward squeeze means more chest activation. Flaring elbows, bouncing the bar, unstable shoulders. That's how tension leaves the chest. Pull your shoulder blades back and down. Keep elbows slightly tucked. Lower the bar to mid-chest and control every inch. Your upper body should feel like a tight spring, stable, coiled, ready to explode. Drive your feet into the ground as you press. Think about bending the bar. That activates your chest and lats for more power. Stay too upright and this turns into a tricep exercise. Lean your torso forward. Let the elbows flare slightly. Lower deep but controlled. Your torso angle decides the target. Upright means triceps. Forward means chest. Bring your hands together in a wide arc and squeeze hard at the center. Imagine wrapping your arms around a massive tree. Fatigue doesn't mean form disappears, it means form matters more. Slow tempo, 3 seconds down, 1 second up. Control every rep. It's not about lifting heavier, it's about lifting smarter. Stay consistent, stay focused, and build that chest one perfect rep at a time.